Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to link or join Discord in our graders. To link your Discord account, first open Settings. Press the gear icon or the back button. If you press the back button, from there go into Settings. Make sure you're in the Gameplay tab. Then look to Link and Join Discord buttons. Here this will show you simply an invitation to join their Discord. And pressing this will automatically take you out of the game. As you can see, nothing happened for me on this window. The same goes for linking Discord. If you press either of those buttons, simply follow the instruction in your web browser. And if you've done everything correctly, you link or join the Discord. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.